Yo everyone, it is Crush the Developer back with another awesome tutorial, and this tutorial is going to be on how to make a coin system in Roblox Studio. So by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to make coins that will spawn random places, you'll be able to collect them, and it'll be added to your balance. So before we start, I'd just like to note that the same person who commented on one of my videos asking for a Twitter code on Roblox Studio tutorial also commented on one of my other videos requesting how to make a coin system in Roblox Studio. So thank you. The username is 12, so huge shout out to him. Alright, now let's get started. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add a coin. So go ahead and open the toolbox section and we're going to search up coin. Now you can choose any coin you like. I'll go ahead and choose this one. It says coin for simulators. So apparently it has scripts inside, so I'll go ahead and delete it. So we got the readme and stuff, right? We're going to go ahead and delete all these coins. And we're going to go ahead and put this in the workspace. And you can go ahead and put it to your liking. Now, put how high you want it to be. Now, I want it to be this high. There. That's all I want it to be. Now, this coin right here, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put this in like the start position you want to randomly spawn at, and then we're going to put it at the end position you want to randomly spawn at. So I'll put it right here. So basically find the lowest X and Z position. So let's see which one's the lowest. So according to this has the lowest X position. So you're going to go ahead and copy the lowest X. And we're going to put it right here for now. We're going to put that here. And then get the highest X. And we're going to go ahead and put that here for now. And then we're going to go ahead and just separate these two. Now this is not going to be a script. We're just separating this stuff for convenience. We're going to get the lowest Z position. So this is the lowest Z position. We're going to copy this and place it right here. Oops. I'm going to put it right here. And then we're going to get the highest Z position, which is right here. And then we're going to go ahead and copy this entire thing and paste it right here. Trust me, this will all make sense soon. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and delete one of these coins, and you can go ahead and add a script inside this coin. Type in local players equals game get service players. And now we're going to say script.parent, oh my god, dot touched. This will connect function, and then we'll type in hit. What we're going to do now is type in local expected player equals players colon get player from character hit dot parent. So this will try to determine whether the hit's parent is associated with the player. So if it is, right, it will say if expected player, then we're going to do expected player dot leader stats dot coins, or the name of your currency dot value. There you go. Plus equals the amount you want to add to your balance. So I'm going to do 10. Alright, now we're going to do script.parent colon destroy. Now the last thing we need to do to get right here is the Y position. This is going to be very important as well. So there you go, and I'm just going to make this separate from everything else. So this is X, this is Z, and this is the Y position. So there. Now what we need to do is go ahead and make this can collide off and make it anchored. So it's already anchored. Now I can easily place this in the replicated storage, so then we can keep inside here without it being inside the workspace, so we can free up space. Now we're gonna go ahead and type in script local players game get service players, and we're gonna go ahead and say players, not player added, colon connect function, and then we're gonna type in player. So this function will run when a player joins the game. We're gonna say local leader stats equals instance dot new folder comma player. So we're gonna add a folder inside the player, and we're gonna name it leader stats. So leader stats dot name equals leader stats, and it has to be spelled like this, no capitalization, and you have to spell like this correctly. Now we're gonna go ahead and type in local coins equals instance dot new comma double quotes int value comma leader stats. So we're going to add an int value, which is basically an instance that stores numbers. So basically, we're going to type in coins.name and then equals the name of your coin. So I'll call it coins. So there. Now what we need to do is we need to type in local coin equals game coin get service replicated storage colon wait for my bad. There you go. Wait for child, and then the name of your coin. So I'll say coin right here. Now we're gonna say while wait, and then the amount of time you want for every coin to spawn. So I'll say 1 for every 1 second a coin will spawn. We're going to do this local new coin equals coin colon clone, and then we're gonna say new coin dot parent equals game dot workspace. But we're not done yet. We need to go ahead and do new coin dot position equals vector3 dot new. All right, math dot random, and then get your lowest x and your highest y right here like this. So you have your lowest x and your lowest and your highest x. I meant lowest x and highest x. And then we're gonna get our y position, which will never change. And then we're going to get our d, highest and lowest d. So math dot random, and then we have our lowest d and our highest d. So this is how it's gonna work. We're going to add a leader set folder inside the player, which will create a leaderboard right here, and we're gonna add some coins, which is gonna add the coin value right here. And for every 1 second, we're going to clone this coin and put this inside the workspace and have the position, the X and Z position from the lowest to the highest, like random. So the lowest is the least and the highest is right here. So math on random, and then we're gonna get the lowest and the highest, so it will be a random number between the lowest and highest axis of the X and Z. So now we're not done yet. I wanna add one more thing. So we're gonna go ahead and go to Toolbox, and we're gonna go ahead and go to Audio and type in coin collect. I'll go ahead and search that up. All right, that's a good one. I'll go ahead and this is right here, coin collect, and all I need to do is put in play on remove. So when the parent is destroyed, this means this will be destroyed as well, meaning it'll play automatically when that thing is destroyed. So if we go ahead and launch the game, you can see that we have a leaderboard with our coins in here, and we have random coins that spawn. We can easily collect them, and they'll add to our balance. So there's one thing I want to do with this. We're gonna go ahead and go back to our script, and we're gonna say this. Wow. Wait 0.1 to script.parent.orientation plus equals vector3.new, and you can do 1, 0, 0, right? We're not going to change anything with the y or the axis. We're going to just change the x. So you can do plus equals or minus equals. So plus equals will turn the coin clockwise, minus equals do counterclockwise. So basically, I think I'll do 0.01. So if we go ahead and launch the game now, you can see, oh shoot, I guess I gotta put this in the D now. This time instead of X, I gotta put this in the D axis. And now when I launch the game, as you can see, we have the coins that are spinning. Okay, you know what? I think I gotta put this in the Y axis. My bad, y'all. Alright, there you go. Now if I load the game, you can see that our coins are spinning like this normally, and they're spawning all around the place, from the lowest X to the highest X, and the lowest Z to the highest Z. And you can see as we collect them, they're being added into our coin balance. And as you can see, we have a fully working coin system. So I hope you all learned something new and enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel with notifications on so awesome tutorials like these can come in your mailbox. Have a great day, y'all.